In this video, I'm going to show you how to summarize YouTube videos using ChatGPT. So you've probably already tried copying the URL over to ChatGPT like this and just typing something like summarize this video and then pasting the URL link. Now, unfortunately, this is going to give you an error message as ChatGPT won't be able to access this link. So what you'll need to do is come back over to your YouTube video, scroll down to the description section and click on the More button. And just below the video description, you'll see this option for transcript. So go ahead and click on the Show Transcript button. In the right-hand side of the screen, this will bring up the transcript, and we can click these three vertical dots, click on Toggle Timestamps, and then what you want to do is just copy all of this text from the beginning to end. So I've got all this selected. I'm going to right-click and press Copy. And now what we can do is head back over to ChatGPT and type in summarize this, and then just paste in the text that we just copied. And as you can see, that's going to make a full summary of the video. Now, sometimes what can happen is if the video is really long, then you won't be able to copy this text, either because you won't be able to actually copy the entire transcript, it will just go all the way down, or because you won't be able to paste it into ChatGPT, it just won't allow that many characters. So what you can do in that instance is head over to an internet browser, type in Chrome extensions, and then click on this top search result, chromewebstore.google.com. In the search box, type in ChatGPT YouTube and hit enter. Now you'll see loads of different search results come up here. The one that I like to use is this YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Cloud. So go ahead and click on this, then select Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension, and now click on the Extensions button in the top navigation. Make sure the YouTube summary is pinned to your navigation like this. Then you can head back over to the YouTube video and refresh the page. And then if you scroll down slightly, we'll have this new section called Transcript and Summary. So all you need to do here is hover over the icon that says Summarize Video, and then we can select what application we want to summarize this in. I'm just going to select ChatGPT 4, and that's going to take you directly over to the ChatGPT website, and you'll be able to summarize the video directly from here. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.